Morning. Mount Ajar.
JC Little Ajar.
And this is
Bus Stop Chronicles.
Bus Stop Chronicles. What do we got today, Joshua?
We got this nice Leatherman. Nice casing, leather, because it's a Leatherman. So, we got a nice little multi-tool. Got some pliers. Got a couple knives. Got some brass pins here. Made in the USA. I believe it was 1995.
Good.
And yeah, got some pliers, got some knives, got some other stuff. Also got a tape measure, or just a measuring thing.
Show us the knife.
This is the knife from the Leatherman, and it's got a nice little thumb nick, pretty sharp. Yeah.
Still looks like it's in good shape for being old.
Yep, older than you.
Let's see where it says Leatherman. US. You guys have a good day. God bless.